Eat this at breakfast, eat it at lunch or dinner, and love your life. Hello guys, again I'm here to make another oat delight. This is chocolate banana oat, treat I'm making. Okay, so right here I have my Oats Flakes, yes, and a little salt already, and then I softened the oats. I didn't blend it, I softened it with or by soaking it in granite milk, peanut milk. You can use any milk of your choice, either dairy or any other nut milk. So and it's hot. I use hot granite milk. So that's peanut milk, and then 2 eggs. You can see me blending in 2 eggs, mixing in 2 eggs rather. Okay. So when I'm done mixing, okay. So right now this is the mashed banana. So that's what I'm using as a sweetener. Okay, and it's going to make the light somehow moist on the inside at the end of the day. So this is it. Okay, so right now adding my raw cocoa, and the baking powder. I'm mixing all in. Okay, let me add my. As usual, I always spice up my dishes, like where I spice up my life. So I'm not gonna miss that out. Just a little of cinnamon. It's optional. It's optional. It's optional. Okay, good. Just a little. So just to help to add a little more antioxidants in the food and also flavor. And of course, cinnamon helps to regulate how your body handles or absorbs the sugar in the treat. So it's always very good. So that is it. So this is it. It's going into the oven. Yeah, I want to toss into the oven right now. It's ready, topped with almond nuts. So this is it. So be right back. I'll give it 40 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade, or thereabout, or 160, between 160 180. 40 minutes it should be done. All right, thank you. Yummy! Ooh, so beautiful. Our chocolate banana oat delight is ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Wait, it's still hot. So I just wait a little bit so I can eat this at breakfast, eat it at lunch or dinner, and love your life.